go immigration, Chung Kwan O, exit B1, and then let's go find here. Okay. Ang ako, wait lang. Ang layo na pala naman yung immigration. Nandito pa siya. So, ang immigration worker. O yung pro. Then, wait, press the stoplight. Ano pa tayo dito? So, wait. Ang layo na ng immigration. Tapos, nang gawin mo, turn right. Okay, lakad. Okay. Medyo mahaba yung lalakad. Minutes. Okay, so from here, this one, you will find immigration headquarters. At last, nakarating din ako. And then this one, this building. So, according kay Friends Goggles, fourth floor. Okay, tada, we're here, immigration